Alhamdulillah. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, fantastic. Where are you? That is a very interesting background.
I'm in my small store. It's a
Is
stationery
that
store.
is that Einstein?
Yeah, it's a painting for Einstein. Yes,
He
Einstein.
looks like me.
No, your hair is better
Thank you. Shukran, Muhammad.
for sure. It's not a compliment. We can't take a compare of it. You are the best.
What do you do? What do you do in your stationery store?
I started that business from 4 years, about 4 years. Most of my depends work, it's about printing and some services like this. There's something we call it courses for grades on school. That's also, let's say, it's the first seller in here.
I
First,
think you
yeah.
are great at technology. Am I right?
Not that much. Actually, I have a bachelor degree with multimedia
Surprise us
system.
and tell us something extremely difficult you know how to do with technology that I probably wouldn't know.
I can work on some Adobe programs like Premiere and Photoshop and After Effects.